In this video, I will be showing you how to use Whiteboard in Canva. Let's get started. On the main Canva homepage, I click on the Whiteboard icon to launch a fresh, interactive workspace. Once the blank grid canvas loads up, I head over to the left sidebar menu to browse through the available Whiteboard templates. I scroll through various pre-made layouts like empathy maps, creative workshops, and idea dumping boards until I locate the blue modern brainstorming whiteboard template. I click on this template to insert the brainstorming layout onto my canvas. Next, I click on the template group to select it, and drag the corner handles outward to expand its scale across the whiteboard. With the template properly resized, I move over to the left toolbar and click on the Text tab. I insert a standard text frame, double-click inside to highlight the default text, and type out Urgent in capital letters. I shrink the text box down and place it neatly inside the Focus Challenge card at the top left. To view more of my workspace, I use the zoom controls located at the bottom right corner to zoom out to 5%. Next, I click on the sticky note tool in the left menu panel and add a bright pink sticky note onto the workspace. I enlarge the note by dragging its corner handles, double-click inside the square, and type task in all caps. Then, I click and drag this enlarged pink sticky note over to the left side of the brainstorming template. Now, I click on the Draw tool from the left toolbar to access drawing tools. I select a thin pen and begin drawing freehand circles and connecting lines across the open canvas. When I want to clean up a mark, I switch to the eraser tool and erase the extra strokes smoothly. Afterwards, I reselect the marker pen, open the stroke settings, and slide the weight up to 100. With this bold black marker, I handwrite task number 1 directly on the canvas and draw a neat loop around it. Finally, I select the straight line tool in the drawing toolbar and add a line below my handwritten text. I set its color to black, open the stroke weight menu, and increase the weight to 100 to make it bold. I then position and align this thick line underneath task number 1. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Whiteboard in Canva.